So it's 6:30 in the morning, and this is day 2 of me with Royal Enfield in Greece, and I'm heading out looking for a very historic abandoned mansion. I've made a mistake of not bringing a sat nav, so I've just got my AirPod in my ear to give me directions. Not 100% sure what I'm going to find. Don't know if I can get to it. Don't know how safe it is if I get to it, if I even find it, but we'll see. It's going to be a nice little ride anyway. So nice day today so far, though I believe the weather is good at the minute, but there is a little bit of chance of rain because it's a bit more cloudy than yesterday. But I'm not against it being a little bit colder because it was quite hot yesterday. But right now it's fine. So I'm going to leave the hotel, get on my bike, and see what I can find. So I've arrived where it says the destination is, and there's a hotel just there. Quite a fancy looking hotel actually. It's quite nice. Google Maps suggests that the mansion that I'm looking for is behind that restaurant. So I'm just going to gather my bits together, go for a wander and see what I can find. Obviously I need to play it safe because there's nobody, there's a car there, but other than that I haven't seen anything for ages, so I don't want to get myself in any kind of trouble. The ride up here, where's my Enfield? There it is. That was quite something. The roads were fantastic, but I went on a slightly wrong direction, and the Google thing sent me on a direction that was like a cut route. Oh my god, it was so steep. And as I was going up it, I was just thinking, how am I going to get back down? But I'm halfway up it, so I've got to see it through. But I think there'll be a different way to go where it isn't quite so precarious, because I wasn't too comfortable with that. But other than that, really fun ride, fantastic, great to experience these twisty roads. I was taking it very easy because I don't know the roads. And if I'm come up behind and they know where they were going, I'll let them go, because that's the thing to do. But let's see if I can find this mansion. Well, that was quite a climb, and this is the mansion. Quite a lot of history behind this place. Clearly derelict, as you can see. But this was built for Mussolini when Italy had rule of Rhodes. So Italy had it from 1912, and then in 1943, when the Italians surrender, then the Germans took over. So this was built for Mussolini. But as far as I can gather, see there behind. Little garage. Don't want to go too deep into it because it's very creepy, and I'm completely on my own, and I won't lie, a bit nervous. But yeah, So as far as I'm aware, Mussolini never actually stayed here, but it was built for him during their reign of this part of Greece. The views outside are absolutely incredible, so you can see why it was built. And I believe it's still on the market, but it's left derelict, and no one's bought it. I think it's been on the market for over 10 years. I mean, with the connotations of it, you can understand why nobody would want to buy it. But as a part of history, it's incredible. There's another building just over here. I'm not going to climb up there. I just want to get myself back to the bike, if I'm honest. I've had to climb up quite a steep bit to get here. There's like a second building up there. If it wasn't on my own, I'd go up there. But part of this journey was the ride, and when I saw that this piece of history was here, I thought I had to come and have a look. So I'm going to go down some very steep steps up here. So I'm going to go back to the steps. Apologies if the sound isn't very good. I don't really want to get all my microphones together just for this. I just want to get back to the bike and then get back on the road and see where we end up. So hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of World War II or pre-World War II history. Pulled over again because I'm not 100% sure what this is, but I'm going to see if I can have a look. That is incredible. I'm not sure I've ever ridden this high, if I'm honest, but the views are absolutely stunning.